everyone, I'm Cyril and today I'm going to show you how to install CodeIgniter React Boilerplate using Docker, because I know that you probably already know how to install using XAMPP. So make sure you have Docker Compose and Node and Yarn installed in your machine. The first thing you need to do is clone the repo. You can copy here, then go to terminal, type git clone and paste the URL, right? Then go to your VS Code or your favorite IDE and open the terminal and type yarn. I already did that. As you can see, I have the Node modules installed in here, and now you can type docker compose app to start the project container. Now go to your browser and type localhost 8080 like this, and as you can see, the project is up and running using Docker.